Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. As you can see here, I got a challenge lock called the Hollow by Pickaholic, and I believe it was Pickaholic that also sent it to me, so I appreciate that. So let's get zoomed in here, and it's a kick cylinder. Obviously, it's in my new kick holder rather. I got from Bobby Keyz. Thanks again, Bobby. They fit so freaking good in there. It's incredible. I did have to take off this clip from the back because it wouldn't fit in there with this weird shaped clip on the back. It wouldn't fit in the holder, so shouldn't do nothing to the picking, but like I said, it just didn't fit. So let's get into this without further ado. I have opened this a little bit ago just to see if I can, period, and I had a hell of a time going clockwise, so I'm going to go counterclockwise on this one, and I'm going to drop, it's already in there, yep, my little dude in the bottom there, some people call it a shotgun or a toothpick or whatever. Alright, so we're going to go, let's see, it's fitting tight, yes, that's okay. Alright, we're going counterclockwise, and I'm going to use my, let's see, how about we just use I'll try it with the gem. That should work. Alrighty. Oh, timer. Start. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. I'll tell you what, it's a pretty crunchy lock. You got a little baby click, I think, when I touch 3. Got some counter rotation. Let me see. 2, I think it was. Felt good. 3, 4. Yeah, it's crunchy. Oh, I think I just overset. Yeah, have to let it drop. Okay, got a slight turn back, I think, on 3. There's that counter again. I want to say that's 2. Okay, more. Yep, okay, deeper false set. It's crunchy. There's some nastiness in there, I promise you that much. Not feeling it. Okay, got a little bit more right here. I think it's 5. I think that was it. It gave me a little, oh, there's some more. Oh, there's a little bit more. I just keep touching it. Maybe we'll just keep going like that. Okay, so we got a pretty decent false set. Let's see if I can get something to react to the pick now. There's something holding me up. And with that deep of a false set, I can only guess that it's like a T-pin maybe. We'll find out in a minute. Hopefully. Now I gotta figure out where it is though. 5. Yeah, I'm not feeling I have to guess T-pin because nothing's really, you know, like spools give you that, okay, right here, I got something right here. And I want to say it's 4. I'm going to go for it. Oh, got it, but I lost that. Okay, here we go, getting it back on number 5, I think. Thought I was. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm guessing maybe T-pin. That's what it felt like. I didn't really feel too much spool action. Whoops, stop. Okay, stop timer. Let's come out a little bit now. Bada boom, bada bang. I'll tell you what, there's definitely some creativity in there. I've got my other pad down here because I've been working on a few challenge locks again, and I use this one to so I don't tear up my Sparrow's mat. Let's see where we're at. We good right there? Yeah, we're good. Okay. light. Oh, you know what? I didn't even show. There's the bitting on the key. That's how I got it. It wasn't wrapped up. There's the key. And since we do got it open, very much open, I'll go ahead and lock it back up and show the key works. Get that deal out of there. There we go. Like I said, I got that clip off the back, so we don't have to deal with that now. That was the clip I took off. Like I said, it just wouldn't fit in the kick holder, so no big deal. There we go. See if I can get a shimmy shim in this bad boy. Hopefully I got the I think I'm done tinkering with the camera, because ooh, yeah, that's not wanting to go at all. Yeah, buddy. Okay, there we go. Well, okay. Oops, just popped it off. Damn it. Let's try that again. Okay. I know if you try too hard, there we go, you could put a little dent in the front of those shims, and then it makes it really tough, man. I found out that the hard way. Pin should be over here. Let's see what we got. We got it. We got it. We got it. That shim back up there. Okay. Looks like we got 6 pins, or 6 chambers all occupied. Bada boom, bada bing. Again, there's the key. Alright, let's get them laid out here and see what we got. Oops. We didn't frame good yet. Okay. See what kind of, oh yeah, we got some creativity. Oops, that's 3. 4 and a 5 and a 6. Yeah, we got some creativity up in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Beautiful. 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 Okay. Yep. See some nastiness. 1 looks standard. 2 is threaded. 3 is undercut. 4 is undercut. 5 and 6 are standard. So we got threading in 2, undercut in 3, and 4. Well, I say undercut, but they're kind of well, 4's pretty good, but 3 seems to just okay, maybe it's just a little close to the top, but they do look undercut. Okay, let's see if we can pick any of that up on here. Alrighty, beautiful. Let's see, the front is not marked, so I'll mark it. Oh yeah, there's an X on the front, but it kind of looks like one on the back too. I'm gonna mark it anyways, just so I put it back together the right way. Don't want to jack it up. Okay, here we go. We good over here? Yep, we got a T-pin in 1. See, I was thinking, I felt one more towards the back, so there may be more than 1 T-pin. Got a nicely serrated number 2. Really pretty looking, I'll tell you that. Little short baby spring in number 2. Little baby spring. 3 is a, I'd call that like a spool. Kind of conical spool. A little bit cone shaped. Okay, number 4. Got a nice another one, kind of conical shaped spool with a nice sharp top on it to catch. That was 4, so number 5. 5 looks like a standard, just to keep things lined up, I guess. Yep, well played, sir. Well played. Okay, that was 5, so let's go in the back, number 6. Just so we can see it good on the camera. There we go. Yep, I knew it. I figured it would have been in 4 or 5 though, the T-pin. That's kind of what it felt like, but there's another T-pin in number 6. Yeah, the way it picked it was almost like, well, maybe that's why that 3rd and 4th one are very spooled. Maybe that's what I was feeling. It did feel T-pinish though. Okay, springs are all out. Yep. Alright, and I'm guessing there's nothing done in here, but nope, I don't feel nothing in the Bible. By the way, I've dulled this picker a little bit, so it's not real sharp, so when I do this, I'm not tearing up anything, just in case. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was a cool one, man. Just enough tough and just enough fun. Let's do it this way. Excuse me. Alright, let's take a close-up, huh? Once again, that was The Hollow by Pickaholic. Highly appreciate it. Highly appreciate it. Fabulous. Fantastic. Okay, a little zoom so I can hold it steady. Good enough. Okay, we could see in key pin number 1, we got kind of a serrated, I'd call that serrated and spooled, because that's kind of like a spool right there in the top of that. 2, I'd call that just a serrated key pin. Number 3, a spooled key pin. 4, serrated, we can call that a wide serration. And then 5, I think there is actually a serration on the top of that. I should have got my other glasses. You guys probably see it better than I can right now. 6, we've got a serration right here and then a spooled top. Drivers, we've got a T-pin in number 1. We've got a serrated in number 2, a spool in number 3. I'd call that a spool in number 4 because it's a pretty wide serration. I guess you call it a wide serration. 5 is a standard and 6 is another T-pin. And the springs, they do vary. I can see there's some, looks like steel, but it's not. Maybe not, because they're not sticking to this thing like magnetic or nothing. I don't know, but they do look steel. And then we got a mini copper in 2, and then 3 and 6 look like a pair. 1, 4, and 5 look like a set. So they do vary. So you're going to get different tension, that's for sure. And I guess that's the idea. So it all worked out great. Absolutely fantastic lock, and it was an honor and a privilege to pick it. Okay, so thank you all so much, and Big Al signing off.